Good morning, children. Now today we come to the next part in the lesson work and energy, and that is the sums based on kinetic energy. Now we have seen yesterday that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We derived an expression for this. Okay? Kinetic energy is half mv square. Now let us read the sum and substitute the values. Calculate the energy possessed by a bullet of mass 0.2 kg moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second. So the bullet is moving. So since the bullet is moving, they are asking you to find out the kinetic energy. The mass of the bullet is 0.2 kg, m is 0.2 kg, and the velocity is 20 meters per second, v is 20 meters per second. Now suppose mass is given in grams, you have to convert the grams to kilograms by dividing by 1000. Okay, so kinetic energy is equal to half into m is 0.2 multiply by v square is 20 multiply by 20. So then we have kinetic energy is equal to half. Instead of 0.2 I will write 2 upon 10 multiply by 20 multiply by 20. So 2 ones are and 2 ones are will cancel, 1 0 and 1 0 will cancel. So we have kinetic energy is 20 multiplied by 2, which is 40. The unit of energy is joules. So you can write the full form in small letters Joules, or you can just write capital J. So when you are doing the sums, first you read the whole sum, understand the physical quantity that you have to find, and then you substitute the values of each physical quantity. Now we come to the next one. An object of mass 15 kg. So mass m is 15 kg. Is moving with a uniform velocity of 4 meters per second. Velocity is 4 meter per second. What is the kinetic energy possessed by the object? So you have to find kinetic energy. So same formula, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So kinetic energy will be half multiplied by m is 15. Multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. V is 4, so 4 into 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So kinetic energy is 15 multiplied by 8. So that's 120 joules. We now come to the third sum. If a pebble of mass 0.5 kg, so mass is 0.5 kg, is rolling with a uniform velocity of 20 meter per second. So velocity is 20 meter per second. Calculate the energy possessed by the rolling pebble. The pebble is rolling, so the energy that they have asked here is kinetic energy. So then you write kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So you have half, m is 0.5. Multiply by 20, multiply by 20. So you have kinetic energy is equal to half multiplied by, instead of 5, I am going to write 5 divided by 10. Is that clear? And then multiply by 20, multiply by 20. This 1 0 will cancel this with 1 0. 2 ones are will cancel. So kinetic energy will be 5 multiplied by 20, which is 100 joules. The unit of work and the unit of energy are the same, we have seen yesterday, because energy is the capacity to do work. Now we come to the fourth one. Find the energy possessed by a scooter of mass 20 kg. So mass is 20 kg. Moving at a velocity of 60 meter per second. Velocity is 60 meter per second. Find the energy possessed by the moving scooter. So kinetic energy you have to find. So kinetic energy is half mv square. So kinetic energy will be half multiplied by 20 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. So you have 2 ones are. So kinetic energy will be 6 6 are 36 and then 3 zeros, 36,000 joules. So this is how you have to solve the sums, children. So you have kinetic energy is half mv square. Read the sum carefully, see the quantities given, substitute and find your answer.